Mama wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news. Felix appear political zone and na okase na nsema okay na ne so ne de odwe ho he doesn't think far, he does not think madness adenya ese se o man pani dada ajo drama ni mahama omo onu omo ye adwuma wo no office no sake omo yinara including Felix Kwakye Ofosu so sake omo because and some omo tro dem o man pani dada John drama ni mahama a obewi there or public no so disgusting disgrace intino kebeya on sake omo na ko on fen power from mani ehwe so omo ni power from ba the fresh ideas beba na o man pende da John drama di mahama timi e de abu man na because Felix say o man pende da John drama di mahama ni nsem bia na nsem keka no ehwe ba bia say obi dual citizenship on denounce obetimi abenya position e wo Ghana ha say and I feel so o man pende da John drama ni mahama then na wo dey ba me de me fashion ba na emom no economy ni mo aye de na Ghana forecast say me san so ba be finish me ATS o man pende da John drama ni mahama then na dey ba o si wo nkukobu ma wo nkukobu nketenkete mama mo nkukọ na mo anyan mpreko nketenkete that is all you want as one crowd of trust and say me mo man pende da John drama ni mahama na do for me ka say channel yentie ensema Felix appear Ay3ka.
With all due respect, Pambo Felix Ofosu Kwakye ne sanko for the freedom ho jagal ne pe. Because those people always want you to say stuff that will disgrace you. Hey, our polling station agents are illiterate. Na omobo vuvuzela. As for Sante for there, would you go to your crime on Mokrana and your mofe? And I am calling was free education, you know. And the Ania de Momono, make Knama Grandy. Hey, I was so many Kuna war, a Muntesutie, a more ble, Codena, what Dana, Juna Wunana, Code Butu yem. And that year, yet the Ghana Sika show Bani school caking will be so Bani a Knamai because on no Mahama Mano. Woman did this and okre. Na sabe mahama nkrama no kra ne German shepherd moano woman di aduan ne papa e chain free education. Aduan so nkodan kodi ba yen yade o German Drew. E bia dinam Harvard. E bia dinam Brunel College. E bia dinam University of Ghana. Yan yare ye ho ayefe. E bi mu didi 3 times a day. What to papa no ma me nchen wo fie wo didi once enumre ye hwe ba nchen. Ne ye yibi ahye ne nsa. Kofetire obra obeba no na ya wo fufu we be bibi obi atete wo hwu amu ba 7 wo bi akoye e ma do say ya na den na ye o menini na ayira ye hete no age agu no na wawo na be ma no onu ku achi
ebusuafo ensem we e na Felix appear de Ay3ka
wo beifo on pa de pa beye bi am pa de pa enti na beye di ball aso no beye mpa de pa. You have seen the drawing for 2024 elections in Kumewu, and I bet you Ghanani, I want you people to put this down for me. I promise you, 2024, NDC will lose the general election. And this time, their money, or how do you call it? Their numbers is going to be low. Let me give you an example. Yesterday, the people who went to become polling station agents for NDC, you saw them, Okudjatwa Block and all of them. Omuluzu Poto, Meboa. And these are their brightest stars. Omukoye due diligence. Utie. Wamukoye due diligence. Tina ho. Pacho 1 second, maybe. I need to. For superstars. And wamukosha abano sono. Womo kra no sebe ye hu so. Enti picture 2024 when they go and bring in their illiterate police station agents and their consequently secretary. Na ene omo ezu chobwe iron boy. So omo na ebehwe pooling no so a e de na ebesi ye hu. Nti hwede ebesi. Womo ankasa aba no kra no womu hu kan. Enti womu be lusu poto. Utie. MPP for say ye kwa abato a wo de jo anochinom na ade no makbenu mu no ekoku gudam wi a ye wo young boys ya wo so ye den eti police station na adwuma na se eye digitized NDC for the no NDC flag no pu ohun ne say yi wa bonti wa bombidim enti wo mu belusu. And from there, this is what I will say. Say NDC nim. Nana yaw. Na womu lose 2024 election no. Based on incompetence. Based on muchumudu achinaya. Na omo beye. The omo beye ye ne yebeko street so akoshe time. Say this time won insuo no ya started no. A police force you no ya started this so cause ye nim say mo bi no mo body na ye wele ya hwe ya nkamo. Enti this time and this for no nsuo no ye no an ntem the police for no me say ya bet tutu mo ho say nkokọ. Enti mo dia mo nante mo mutu brazia. Na mo nka say na no man na say o man na say yo yate e dia na dey ba I don't have. Nti why should we vote for you? Say dia na ye no 8 years so nti na nka. Aka president Mahama 4 years in Tanka. Jimmy. When I was CS economy na heading, I shut it down. Nti ho anu aba. Because time wa MPP to position you know. Na omo ka de omo ba omo beye. Mo so de mo nka de omo ba mo beye o. Enu ni mo ho. The amoba mobile ne de no nya NDC fuo omo de ne say 4 years for you be ni ele na ka fi ole be me ne ba 4 years be ba you 4 years be 8 years be mba 8 years no ko no abaya odododio ototochoko ano na agbena Saudi a wo de best sandia e ko so ya de wo wutrim ni nkukobuo be man nkukobuo kakra na nkukọ na ato nkukọ no to ane ya tonkosia no ye tonkosia na edi na edu ba bia na afi kosia na akokọ no gba akokora ne abrewa na ya ton akokora no sorry na ya ton akokọ no end of business. Dr. Mahama, why do you do this? What the president da o say with all due respect, what the president da? With all due respect, Pamo Felix Ofosu Kwakye ne sankrofo ni free omo jagal ne pe. Because those people always want you to say stuff that would disgrace you. Hey,